Clear? So next is, what are the different types of alignment option available in Word 2016? So here we have a 4 alignment option. What is alignment? Alignment to align the text. कैसे प्रॉपर वे से उसको कैसे लिखना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अलाइनमेंट. एज यू हैव गिव द मार्जिन इन योर आंसर शीट्स. आप पेपर में जब आंसर शीट्स आपको मिलती हैं तो आप 4 साइड उसका मार्जिन एक बनाते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड अलाइनमेंट. ओके, सो फॉर द अलाइनमेंट अगेन आई नीड वन पैराग्राफ. सो वी विल यूज अगेन दैट शॉर्टकट equal to RAND and bracket and enter. So again I got this paragraph. So alignment option, you can see here are the 4 alignments option that we have in MS Word. Okay, so first by default whenever we start MS Word, by default left alignment is always selected. That means whatever text I will write, it is started from left side. It will be started from left side. Okay, what happened with the next alignment, that is center alignment? So again what we will do, we will select our text and then we will click on center alignment. So you can see from the both side it leaves the equal margins and our text get in center, right? What about next alignment? This is called right alignment. When we click on this, so the text that we have written earlier, it started from left side, now it is started from right side. It gives a proper margin in the right side, but in the left side we will get improper margin. Like here you can see what happened with the right alignment. It started writing from right side. Okay, now let's see what happened with the fourth alignment, that is justify. When I click on justify, it gives equal margin from all the 4 sides, from left, right, up and down. It justify all the alignment, it justify all the sides. Okay, so one more thing I will tell you, it is very interesting, Hanam. We often use different colors to make our scrapbook, right? तो एक ब्लैक के साथ या पेंसिल के साथ वी नेवर राइट कि हाँ एक ही चीज़ लिखते जाओ, दैट लुक्स वेरी बोरिंग, right? So we use different sketch pens to write or to make our assignment look good. Similarly, we have an option of changing the color of the text in our MS Word. So what we will have to do, we will select that word whose color we want to change, like insert tab. Here we have an option of change font color. So we will select whatever color we like here, or we want to change our text. Like here I am selecting blue, so our text get in blue color. I'll use different color so that it will be more visible to you. Like here I am selecting yellow, okay, brown. So can you see that color of the text also has been changed? Okay, so the last topic is what is mini toolbar. Before that I want to show you one more thing that we have discussed in our MS Word or in our book, that is numbering and bullets, right? Numbers and bullets we have read in our chapter. So what are number and bullets? Like here I am making a list of a grocery like rice, wheat, tea, milk. Okay, so here I am making a list. Whenever we give any list or any points, we write any points in our notebooks, right? We are using 1 2 3 4, so we have these 4 points, we have these 4 topics. Like abhi humne kiya कि what are alignments, so there are 4 alignments. 1 equal to left, second is equal to right, third is equal to center, and fourth is equal to justified. So we often gives numbering to our documents or to our topics or points, right? So here also we can give the numbers automatically. Like here I am selecting this, and here we have an option of numbers. I press this arrow. Here you can see different type of numbering we have here. Roman numbers we have ABC, bigger ABC, smaller ABC, 1 2 3 here. इसको भी लिखने के different method, right? So here I am using this. So can you see, ये अपने आप से एक नंबरिंग इसको मिल गई. एंड व्हाट आर बुलेट्स? सिमिलरली व्हेन वी राइट सम पॉइंट्स, तो हमें नंबरिंग देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. वी जस्ट मेक अ साइन कि यहाँ से एक नया पॉइंट वी आर स्टार्टिंग, राइट? सो हेयर वी हैव सो मैनी बुलेट्स. सी, whichever whatever we like, we can use that bullet. Here I am using this. So these are numbers and bullets. So move to the next last question. What is mini toolbar? What is mini toolbar? Can you see this light toolbar here? बिल्कुल लाइट सी टूलबार दिख रही है. Can you see this? This is called mini toolbar. इसको हाईलाइट और डार्कर कैसे करना है? Select the text that you want to format. When you select that text, this mini toolbar is visible for you. Let's see it again. Here it is not properly visible, but जैसे हम इसको और पास लेके जाएंगे, it will get more visible. It contains all the option to format, give numbers to our text. ये जो अपना टूल बार है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, इसी को शॉर्ट में हम यहाँ पे जो है अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में भी पा लेते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मिनी टूल बार. इसको हम फ्लोटिंग टूल बार भी बोलते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्लोटिंग टूल बार, एंड इट इज़ फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज टूल बार विच अपीयर्स व्हेन वी सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट. ठीक है, बोल्ड करना है तो मुझे यहाँ से नहीं कि यहाँ से मैं सिलेक्ट करूँ और मैं यहीं पे लेके जाऊँ फिर ही बोल्ड हो जाए. Here when I am selecting this, I am getting bold option here. I will use italic here. I want to centered alignment of this topic, तो I get that. इसको हम unselect करते जाएंगे तो वो चीज़ें हमारी उसी तरह से आनी शुरू हो जाएगी. What it contains? It contains commonly used formatting option like font size, font color, font style, and so on. Clear? So these are the basic things that we have in our MS Word. As much as you use this, as much as you got the knowledge of this. Clear? So this is the basic of MS Word. Why we use the MS Word? To make assignments, to make question papers in the schools, to make documents in the offices. So there are so many places where we use MS Word. So this is the basic that we have to learn. Okay, so in the last, all I can say to you, thank you. Is it visible, or should I make it larger for you? It looks little boring. Should I change its color for you? Let me highlight this for you as well. Thank you. Okay, let it make it little bold. Let make it little italic. Let make it little underline. Bold, italic, and underline. So thank you, beta. Have a nice day.